Hello,
How are you?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. My name's Catherine. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Oh, okay, cool.
Yes.
I'm from England. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Oh, okay, cool. Which city in
Yes.
India?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, so it must
Yes.
be like the afternoon now, right? Is it like 4 o'clock or
Yeah.
something?
Yes. What time is it there?
Here it's 1 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's just the afternoon now. And how long have you been learning English?
uh, I joined the Cambly 2 weeks ago.
Oh, okay, cool. So you've been like practicing speaking,
Yes.
conversation.
Yes.
Oh,
Just
okay,
in these
cool.
days, I am practicing in speaking English.
Ah, okay. So, but you learned English in school?
Yes.
Ah,
But
okay.
I would don't speak English language.
Ah, okay. So like
We
you
speak
in school you had English
own language.
lessons? Ah,
Sorry?
so in school you had like English class, but you didn't learn how to speak.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So what language is your original language?
Urdu, Hindi and
Ah,
Urdu.
okay. Yeah, I think it's really difficult to learn, but it sounds nice.
English is very difficult.
Ah, so you speak Hindi, Urdu, and English now.
Urdu.
Urdu. Ah,
Yes.
okay. So you speak like three languages. Do you speak any more?
No.
But three is a lot. Most English people only speak English, but
Uh-huh.
you speak many languages, so I think you can get a good job,
Yes,
you
yes.
know?
I know mm, mostly I speak Urdu language.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yes. So in these days, I learn English language.
Mm. Yeah, it's
Yes.
cool. And
I
your
know
does
so
your
much
family
Hindi
also
language.
speak?
Sorry.
Does your family also speak English, or is it just you?
Yes, my I have two older brothers. My brothers speak English.
Ah, okay. And
Yes.
did they also learn in school, or did they teach themselves?
Yeah. Sorry.
How did they learn to speak?
Mm,
Do they also
can,
use Cambly?
yes, 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 Cambly.
Ah, okay, it's good. So it's just you and your two older brothers, and then your parents.
No, I have two older brothers and one older sister and me. But
Ah,
my
okay.
older sister is married. She's married.
Oh, cool. Does she still live close to you? Like, so you live in a house with your two older brothers,
Yes,
and
yes.
then your sister lives with her husband?
No, no. Who? My sister?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she's staying mm, husband with husband.
Ah, okay. And do
Yes.
they live near to you? Like, is their house close to your house?
Sorry.
Is your sister and her husband, do they live close to you?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So you see them often.
Yeah.
Ah, okay,
So,
cool.
how many your siblings?
I just have one older sister. Yeah.
Oh, brother.
Yeah. No brother, but I wish I had a brother.
Your two sisters.
Yeah, we're just two of us. But I
Oh.
think it's cool to have brothers and sisters. It's nice to have a big family, I think. So
Mm.
I hope when I have kids, I have like boys and girls.
Uh-huh. Your family is very small.
Yeah,
Four
really
members,
small.
right?
Yeah, just
Oh.
four.
So, now you are staying with your family.
Yeah, so I was I was living in a different city because I was studying for university, the undergraduate degree, the bachelor's degree. And then I came back home for 1 year now
Mm-hmm.
because I was supposed to do a job in China, but of course it got cancelled because of the because of the
Okay.
coronavirus. So I had to
Yeah.
come home instead. But in September, I move out again to a different city in
Oh.
England to do the master's degree. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, master
So how
degree.
about you?
Wow. Um, I am 17 years old.
Mm.
Yes. What about
So
you?
you're still in high school, right?
Yes.
Ah,
I am
okay. Yeah,
in
I'm
12th
23.
grade.
Ah, okay, cool. I'm 23.
Oh, 23. So young.
Yeah, yeah. You're so young, and your
Mm.
English is really good to just be 17, really.
Oh.
So are you like 17 is like near the end of high school, right? So you're graduating soon.
Yeah. Yes.
And are you excited? Like, do you know what you're
Yes.
doing afterwards?
Yes. I'm very excited. Yeah.
It's a good time. Will you go to university or will you do something else?
Yes. Next year I will go to college.
Mm. And what will
Yes.
you study?
Sorry.
What will you study? Do you choose a subject?
Yes. I will. Yes. I will studying in college related to Islamic.
Oh, okay,
I do
cool.
Islamic study. Yeah.
Oh, it's interesting. Is that a common subject to study in India?
Sorry.
Is that a popular subject to study
Yeah.
in India?
Yes.
Oh, it's so cool because I've never heard of that here, but it
Mm-hmm.
sounds interesting actually.
Mm-hmm. So, what's your religion?
My religion is like my family's religion, but actually my family is not religious, but
Mm-hmm.
my grandma was really Christian. I don't know why, just only her was the only one. So
I mean, you are Christian.
yeah, so I got baptized and everything. So yeah, I guess I'm a Christian, but I don't go to church, so I'm like not a practicing Christian, you know.
Uh-huh. Okay, nice. Good job.
And your whole family is Muslim?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know in India how, like, which religions are popular. Like, Islam is really popular in India.
Yes, Islam and Muslim and Hindu. Yes.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hindu. Yeah,
Yes.
that makes sense. Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
So, have you ever visited in India?
No, I wanted to. I was traveling maybe 2 years ago, and I was in Malaysia and
Mm.
India, but
Yeah.
I realized I had no money left, so I had to go home. But I wanted to, I think, to fly to like Calcutta,
Mm-hmm.
and
Kolkata,
then I wanted to go to, I don't know how to say it, Jaipur. You know, the
Japan.
city, yeah, with all the pink buildings.
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted to see that, so I hope I can see it. Maybe, I don't know when we're allowed to travel again.
Have you heard about Kashmir?
Ah, yeah, 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 I've heard of it.
Yes. It's a very
Yeah, it,
beautiful place, very famous
ah,
place. Yeah.
yeah, so nice. Is the weather also beautiful? Is what I imagine in India. It's like good weather and really good food.
Yeah, for yes. So, yeah, it's raining here.
Ah, okay. Just
Yes.
today or like every
Cold
day?
every day.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It sounds the same as England. It also is raining here every day.
Mm-hmm.
But oh, we just have like 15 seconds left. But really,
Yes.
your English sounds so good and your accent as well is really
Okay,
easy to
thank you.
understand.
Okay, nice to meet you.
You
See you
too.
again.
Have a good
Bye
day.
bye.
Bye bye.